The following is a triple threat match.
No DQ!
Scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, Solomon Drake.
Solomon Drake seems determined.
And his opponents. First, Hellhammer. Still nursing that cut from earlier. And they're straight into it.
Guys, there's one more opponent. Hey, back it up. There's one more opponent.
And please welcome Switchblade.
Here comes Switchy.
Hey, you sure you want to jump in on that? I wouldn't jump in on that. It's up to you. Okay. Alright, we ready?
Switchblade just
Okay, we're ready.
taking his time.
Bell's wrong.
This is what I like about no DQ. I don't have to do shit. I just gotta wait for him. Let's go, Switchblade. Let's go. Let's go, Switchblade. Let's go.
Switchblade's been on a roll lately, hasn't he?
He's going for the state championship at N-War.
Very, very big momentum, but so does TJ.
Die, Danny. Come on, run. Yeah, outside the ring, mate. You're not in the ring.
Hellhammer just letting these two go for it. Reserving that energy. Here we go, this is like days of old.
Drake delivering Hellhammer's head to the concrete, just like what he done to CJ Click. How's it feel to get your head smashed on the concrete now?
Big right hand from Solomon Drake. Switchblade with the kendo stick.
Do you reckon Solomon Drake's going to be up for the main event?
Depends if he can still give 100% here. And still have 100% left to this main event match.
Come on, Hellhammer.
Hellhammer just laying there watching.
Come on, Hellhammer. Come on. He's a bit dicey. He just got his head smashed on the concrete, goddammit. Next defendant, you get your head on it.
Here we go. He's firing up. Switchblade. Huge choke slam.
One, two. Get up. Now Hellhammer, going straight for Switchblade. Unleashing hell. Oh.
Straight into the plants. Huge right hands from Hellhammer. Hellhammer absolutely laying into the neck.
Switchblade giving it to Hellhammer.
So he's going to go for a chop then.
In the past, these two.
With the barbed wire. Straight to the forehead. Holy crap.
Switchblade getting dominated by Solomon Drake.
This match is a bit of a grudge match for these three.
Soup.
Fisherman.
2.
Hellhammer busts off even more now.
Hellhammer's been smashed.
It's that bad that it's dripping.
These two go punch for punch.
Oh, double spear!
Where's the ref? Where's the ref for the pin?
Damn near killed him.
1, 2, 3. And there's your winner.
Holy crap! Your winner. What a match, what a finish.
Win a Switchblade.
Hellhammer proving his dominance. And if I could be the first to say it, I will. Hellhammer, my friend, you still got it.